Thanksgiving is a time to enjoy a cozy feast with loved ones and to express our gratitude. Here are some simple steps to help you stay organized and ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable celebration. First, create your guest list. Make a list of friends and family joining you for your holiday feast. Confirm who will indeed attend so you know how much food to prepare. Plan your menu. Decide on the dishes you want to serve. Consider those who have allergies. Do you know anyone who has a food allergy and is coming over? Create a shopping list based on the food you choose. Get shopping. Take inventory. Check for any ingredients you may already have in your pantry. Head out to the grocery store with your list. Can you skip purchasing any paper products this year? Use cloth napkins instead of paper napkins and you will be saving the planet. Don't forget the essentials. Will you be needing extra ice for cocktails? Follow a Thanksgiving Day timeline. Clean and organize your home in the days leading up to Thanksgiving. Create a cooking schedule. Plan a cooking schedule for the days leading up to Thanksgiving. Prepare dishes in advance to reduce stress on that big day. What about some decorations? Plan a festive table setting and involve kids to help make some homemade and simple decorations. Don't forget to have fun in the process. Why not take a break and enjoy watching the Thanksgiving parade with your family or friends? Who's in charge of entertainment? Plan fun activities or games for guests. Consider making a festive music playlist. Make enough food to have leftovers for everyone. Have containers ready for guests to take food home with them. When the party is over, it's time for a cleanup. Ask others to help out. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the time with our loved ones and to give thanks for the blessings in our life. Check out the Thanksgiving Meal Planner printable PDF I created for you. It will help you get organized and help you keep you on track for a stress-free holiday. Have a happy holiday. Happy Thanksgiving.